How to turn off Snapchat read receipts. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you the quick way to turn off Snapchat read receipts. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. So firstly, launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Tap chat icon at bottom left corner of the screen. Once you're on the section, in case you want to see a message without letting the other person know that you have seen it, firstly, you simply need to turn on the airplane mode and then make sure that your Wi-Fi is off. After you do that, you need to simply open any chat and watch or see the message and read it. Once you have done that, you need to come back, and after that you need to turn on Wi-Fi and turn off the airplane mode, and then you won't be or the other person won't notice that you have already read their messages. That is how we turn off a Snapchat read receipts. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.